In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a personal portfolio website in Figma. Design Tutorial, Part 1. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top navigation and click on Community. This is where designers share files, templates, and resources you can reuse. It's perfect for getting started quickly, especially for a portfolio design. Inside Community, use the search bar and enter Portfolio Design. You'll see a variety of templates ranging from minimal to bold, from single-page layouts to multi-section sites. Take a moment to preview a few options. Open the file preview to check what pages and components are included, like hero sections, project cards, about pages, and contact sections. Choose a layout that matches your style and the kind of work you want to showcase, whether that's UX case studies, illustration, or web development. Once you've found a template you like, click it to open the Details page, then select Open in Figma. This will bring the file into your workspace so you can edit it. If it prompts you to open in your browser or desktop app, either option works. Now you're inside the file, and this is where the fun starts. Feel free to customize everything. Begin with colors. Many templates come with a style panel or a palette. You can update brand colors to reflect your personal identity. Try picking one primary accent color and a few neutrals to keep the design clean and consistent. Next, adjust the fonts. Look for the text styles in the right-hand panel or the Assets panel. Update headings, subheadings, and body text to a typeface that matches your tone, something bold and modern or clean and professional. Keep hierarchy clear so your name and project titles stand out. Replace placeholder text with your details. Update your introduction, skills, and project descriptions. Keep descriptions concise and focus on outcomes and tools used. Avoid placing any sensitive or private information in your file. Add your images to bring the portfolio to life. You can drag and drop images directly into frames or use image fills to replace placeholders while keeping the layout intact. Maintain consistent image sizes and aspect ratios so the grid feels balanced. If the template includes components like buttons or cards, duplicate them to create more sections without breaking the visual system. As you customize, zoom out occasionally to check overall spacing, alignment, and balance. Align elements using smart guides and keep margins consistent for a polished look. That's it for part 1. Your foundation is set. In the next part, we'll refine interactions and prepare your pages for sharing.